Hello students, today I am going to teach you how to brush your teeth, okay? Today you will learn some of the techniques how to brush your teeth. As you know, dentists recommend that brush your teeth for 3 minutes twice a day to prevent tooth decay and gum disease. Brushing with toothpaste removes plaque, a sticky layer of bacteria. What is plaque? A sticky layer of bacteria and food that coats the teeth. If the plaque is not removed, it can lead to tooth decay. So, how we can prevent tooth decay means proper brushing techniques. If you know, then it will help you protecting your teeth and gums. So to keep your mouth healthy, it's so important to brush your teeth twice a day. Place a soft bristle brush at a 45-degree angle to your gums and move brush back and forth in short strokes, not too hard. Use gentle pressure, not hurting the gums. Brush all sides, including the chewing surface of all teeth. Then, to clean the inside surface of your front teeth, tilt the brush vertically and make several up and down strokes, and finally brush your tongue to remove bacteria and keep your breath fresh. When you are going to clean inside the surface of your front teeth, the brush should be tilted vertically and try to make several ups and down strokes, and finally brush your tongue also. Tongue is also very important. This will remove, by doing this will remove bacteria and will keep your breath fresh. Then you should use a fluoride toothpaste. Fluoride toothpaste. With the ADA, and replace your brush every 3 to 4 months if the bristles get frayed. You should also change your brush after 3 to 4 months if you are using your brush twice a day. And if you feel any tooth problem, then you should visit your dentist regularly. See your dentist if you feel any problem in your teeth. So by following proper brushing techniques, you will protect your teeth for long time. Try to brush in circular motion, flicking motion. Keep your brush vertically in circular motion and cover all the surface at the back of your teeth also. You should brush for 3 minutes. Maximum time is 3 minutes twice a day. You are having now permanent teeth, and whenever you eat, try to rinse your mouth also. After every meal or after eating both sweets, chocolates, toffees, you should rinse your mouth. And by protecting your teeth, you are having beautiful teeth. Of which type? Incisors, canines, premolars, molars. You know now? These are teeth, types of teeth. Function of incisors is, these are chisel-like teeth used for cutting food, and number of incisors are here in your mouth is 8. Canines are sharp pointed teeth used for tearing and gripping food. Number of canines in your mouth 4. Then premolars. Function, these are ridged teeth used for crushing and grinding. Used for crushing and grinding food. Number of premolars in your mouth are 8 in number. Are 8. Now, very important, molars. Molars. These are teeth with a broad surface used to grind food before swallowing. So, number of molars, you can say grinding teeth also. Number of molars in your mouth are total 12. So, try to protect your beautiful teeth so that these may not decay. There should not be tooth decay. So, if tooth cavity is there, try to visit your dentist regularly and get rid of tooth pain. Students, you will make a file on techniques how to brush your teeth and on Ayurveda. And try to make file and get it deposited in school office. Okay? These are activities for your post midterm 2. Okay? One activity, make file here, same file, and activity 1 is write techniques of brushing to your teeth, proper brushing techniques. Then write 10 lines on Ayurveda. And marks will be there for your activity. Get this done and please deposit your file in school office. So, thank you. Have a nice day. Take proper care. Stay alert. Stay healthy. And God bless you. Thank you. Have a nice day.